So we are standing at the entrance of this big towery thing, which will go up. 4 more Russian tourists there, and that's it basically from tourism in Kazakhstan. Yeah. So the entrance is over there where the big thing is. So I saved you the walk around this big tower. That's a nice gate there. I'll walk there after it. And there's a nuclear reactor, or as Muslims call it, the mosque. No rockets though. I thought Kazakhstan was a land of rockets, but no rockets. See, no rocket. Oh, there's one. The big tall building. I see it now. Yeah, so I'm going up there. Again, some ice cream. If you want ice cream, there's no shortage of it in Kazakhstan. You can get ice cream anywhere. It's an ice cream country. Look, go travel. Oh, I thought it was an ice cream stand. Yeah. I can be wrong. And there's a Chinese finger. And yeah, that's basically it around this big tower finger, which is, I guess, the center of the city. So that's it.